So Nothing Phone 3 is coming, and trust me, it's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new vibe. This phone might pack with smart features that might make your current phone feel a bit, well, outdated. Let's break down the upcoming top 5 mind-blowing features that truly sets the Nothing Phone 3 apart from the crowd. Alright, imagine this, you wake up and your phone already shows you the weather, your first meeting of the day, and even your boarding pass without you doing anything. Sounds cool, right? The Nothing Phone 3 might come with a smart AI-driven home screen that actually understands your routine. It shows you what you need before you even search for it. It's like your phone just became your personal assistant minus the small talk. Next up, we have got an AI voice assistant that's not just smart but also has personality. Whether you want a fun, energetic buddy or a calm and thoughtful guide, this assistant adapts to how you like to interact. You can even customize its tone and vibe. It's like having a voice companion who gets you.
Hello, it's great to connect with you. Let's start with a light conversation. Do you enjoy spending time with friends or family?
Now calling all photo lovers, the camera on the Nothing Phone 3 isn't just good, it's AI smart. Here is what it can do: magic eraser, snap a pic and remove unwanted people or objects just like magic. Auto framing, shooting a video, the phone keeps your subject in focus even if they move around. Magic zoom, zoom in without losing quality, your shots stay crispy and clear. Whether you're a casual shooter or a content creator, this camera is here to impress. Now if you like traveling abroad, talking to international friends, no problem. With real-time translation for voice and text, the Phone 3 makes communication super easy. Just speak and it instantly translates what you say. It's like having a live interpreter in your pocket. The glyph lights are back and they are smarter than ever. Now they react to your apps, messages and even your habits. For example, if you get a message from your best friend, the light might blink in a certain way. Or if your food delivers here, yup, the light tell you. It's like your phone is talking to you without even turning the screen on. So there you have it. The Nothing Phone 3 isn't just another smartphone, it's a new intelligent sidekick. With AI everywhere, from your screen to your camera to your voice assistant, this phone is built to make your life easier, smarter and even more fun. The phone launch is coming in July 2025 and we can't wait to see how this phone changed the game. So what do you guys think of this Phone 3? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.